Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add the transit time under the quotation module in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the quotations module. Here, we have to select the all quotations menu under the quotations module. On this all quotations page, we have to enter the respective quote number. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. On this page, we have to click the edit icon. Now the quotation details page will be displayed on the screen. On this quotation details page, we have to click the edit button. Now we have to enter the transit time. Then we have to click the save changes button. Here the transit time is added for this quotation. This is how to add the transit time under the quotation module in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.